is something interesting. When large transport companies invest millions in new equipment, they rarely ask, what is the cheapest option? Instead, they ask one question that trains every decision they make. And surprisingly, the same question is why many of them are investing in automatic bus ride system today. When people think about investing in an automatic bus ride system, they often focus on the machine itself. How fast it is, how much water there is used, how many buses can it squash each hour. While those are important questions, they are not the first question large transport company asks. The companies operating hundreds of buses, coaches, airport shuttle, or commercial fleets usually start somewhere else. They ask how this investment will improve the way that business operates over the next 5 or even 10 years. That's why growth creates complexity. More vehicles mean more drivers, more maintenance schedules, more inspections, and more pressures on every part of the depot. If one process falls behind, the entire operation fails. Vehicle wash is one of those processes that often goes unnoticed until it's become a bottleneck. That's why many fleet operators no longer see washing as a support task. They see it as part of operational infrastructures. A consistent, automatic washing process helps keep vehicles moving, reduce scheduling uncertainty, and make daily planning easier for every department involved. Another reason larger companies invest early in predictability. Manual processes become harder to control as fleets expand. Cleaning quality varies, labor requirements fluctuate, and turnaround time become difficult to estimate. Automation replaces uncertainty with consistency. Every vehicle follows the same process. Everyone meets the same standard, and managers gain more confidence when planning daily operations. There is also the question of long-term operating cost. While the initial investment may seem significant, many companies evaluate the total cost of ownership rather than the purchase price alone. They consider labor efficiency, equipment reliability, maintenance planning, and the ability to support future fleets to grow without dramatically increasing operational complexity. That is a different way of thinking, and it is one of the reasons industry leaders continue investing in smarter depot technologies. At Go&Go, we believe an automatic bus ride system is more than a cleaning solution. It is an investment in operational stability, professional fleet representation, and long-term scalability. Our goal is not simply to help companies run vehicles more efficiently today, but to provide a system that continues delivering value as their fleets expand tomorrow. Because the self-driving transport business don't build for today will flow. They build for the business they want to become. If you are planning the next stage of your fleet's growth, don't wait until your washing process becomes a bottleneck. Contact Go&Go today and let our engineering team help you design an automatic bus wash solution tailored to your depot, your fleet, and your long-term business goal.